Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well and are safe at home, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to go full on glam with this Eid makeup look, and to start off this makeup look I'm using a micellar water to cleanse my face, and I'm using it on a cotton pad and applying it all over my face. And this is how it's gonna take away all of the dirts and gunks from my face, and I can start off with a clean base. Next, to prep my skin, I'm using a moisturizer, and this one has hyaluronic acid and vitamin A in it, and this is so hydrating and moisturizing. Especially I love using it underneath my makeup, and it makes my base look super flawless. Now it's time to prime, and I'm using this Colorbar Perfect Match primer. This is really good, and this one is a silicone based primer, so it also takes care of the pores you have. Next, I'm using a concealer to conceal and color correct my face. I have a little bit of dark circles and acne scars, so this is also gonna deal with that, as well as I'm using it to highlight the highest points of my face. And then I'm gonna take a beauty blender and just blend everything out. Okay, now let's move on to the foundation, and today I'm using a liquid illuminator along with it because I want that very glowy and dewy looking base. And this foundation is amazing. It's waterproof, it's sweat proof, it stays on you throughout the day, doesn't move, doesn't budge, and also the coverage it has, it's amazing. It doesn't look heavy or cakey on the skin, but it has full coverage, and it's gonna hide everything you have on your skin. And I'm using this foundation on one spot at a time because once this foundation sets, it sets and it doesn't move, and it would be very difficult for you to blend it out, so I am just working it in portions. And this is more of my special occasion foundation. Whenever I'm going out to a party or an event or a wedding to attend, I just prefer using this one because this stays on you throughout the day. This is super duper long wearing, and I absolutely love the finish of it. So this is how beautiful my base looks like, and I'm quite happy with it. And now let's move on to the powder to set the base products on place, and I'm mostly using it on my T-zone area underneath my eyes where I have applied the concealer and the foundation. And to set the cream products on place, you need a powder so that it doesn't smudge, doesn't budge, or doesn't crease. And then to set the rest of my face, I'm using a compact powder, and I'm mostly focusing on the parameters of my face. Next, I'm using a setting spray to take down all of that powderiness and also to make the base even more long lasting. Moving on to the main focus of this look, which is eyes. And today I have this beautiful eyeshadow palette here with me. So first I'm gonna be taking this beautiful shade with my finger and I'm gonna be applying it all over my eyelid, and this shade is so beautiful and so unique. You are gonna love this. And I'm gonna do the same on this eye. I prefer using my finger whenever applying shimmery shades because I want that maximum amount of pigmentation. And once that is done, with the help of a flat brush, I'm taking the same shade and applying it on my crease just to even out the edges a little bit. And also I'm flicking it outwards to get that elongated eye effect. And once I'm happy with that, I'm moving on to this golden shade from this palette, and with the help of a thin pencil brush, I'm highlighting the innermost corners of my eyes. Next, moving on to a beautiful green eyeshadow crayon, and this one is from K Beauty. This is extremely pigmented and long lasting. So first I'm using it on my waterline, and then I'm gonna be thicken it up on my bottom lash line to get that bold coal eye look. And as you guys can see, I'm applying it halfway through and not taking it along to the innermost corners of my eyes. Then with the help of a small eyeliner brush, I'm smudging everything out so that it doesn't look too harsh on my lower lash line. And then I took some product on the same brush and I'm just extending it to a wing. This is how your eyes are gonna look elongated, but as I'm not using any black coal today, so this is gonna look defined, sexy yet subtle. Next I'm taking this eyeliner pencil and look at that color. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. And I'm starting it from where the green eyeshadow stopped and I'm taking it along to the inner corners of my eyes like this. I'm not taking it to the inner corners of my eyes, as you guys can see. I'm just drawing a line. Then I took the same golden eyeshadow and I'm just intensifying the inner corners highlights a bit. Moving on to the brows, and today I want my brows to be subtle yet structured, nice and feathery. So first I'm filling in my brows with light hair-like strokes and I'm using a pencil because it looks more subtle that way. Next I'm using a brow gel to set my brow hairs on place, and also this is gonna give me that feathery look that I desire. Moving on to the lashes, and you guys know I don't use falsies, so I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply some mascara, and I'm using an waterproof one because this is gonna hold my curl throughout the day. So eyes are done and let's just finish off the face. After so many months, today I'm using this NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette, and this palette is so good. Highly recommend this if you are an YouTuber or a makeup artist. Definitely check this one out. Next, I'm using a very small amount of bronzer to give some warmth to my face. Moving on to the blush, and today I'm going to be showing you two of my current favorite blushes. The first one is this one from Colorbar. The color is so beautiful and suitable for all Indian skin tone. And then I applied the K Beauty blush on top, and this blush is my current favorite. Oh my god, the color is so beautiful. This is so pigmented and I use it every single day whenever I'm going out. And then I took some bronzer and applied it on my crease just to intensify it a little bit. And once that is done, I'm taking the same golden shade from this palette and I'm just highlighting my brow bones. Moving on to the highlighter, and if you guys have been following me for a while now, you will know that this highlighter is my absolutely favorite highlighter from drugstore. And look at that. I'm not gonna say anything, you decide by yourself. Then adding some more blush because why not. And finally let's move on to the lips, and first I'm using a lip liner to line my lips. And then I'm gonna mix two of my favorite lipstick formulas to get my desired lip shade. And both of these lipsticks are very comfortable to wear. They are transfer proof, they are mask proof, they are smudge proof, burst proof, stay on you throughout the day. So love these formulas. So yeah guys, that's it. That's the finished look. Please don't forget to subscribe and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.